The internet is full of makeup hacks, so I pulled 4 more of March's most popular hacks to try for myself. This hack is from Meredith Duxbury. She applies a large amount of foundation with her hands. From what I can see, the makeup looks flawless, but I guess we'll see about that. I don't like using my hands when I do my makeup. I think I'm gonna be very overstimulated, and I hate feeling like messy. Like I feel like it's all gonna get in my hair, but I'm going to try it and try not to freak out. This is definitely a look, just not a good one. She primes first. I love this foundation. I don't want to use that much of it, but I'm gonna try my best to do it how she does it, so. Okay, there's no way. That looks like how much is on her hand, so that's how much I'm gonna do. She goes like this. I look like a mummy. Where does it all go? I'm gonna blend it in with a beauty blender. I look like I'm encased in foundation. I honestly feel like this is a gimmick to get views. Maybe if I was like 20 feet away or like in a photo, it might look okay. But if you get up close, this is just not my vibe. I don't think it looks cute. This hack is an easy way to remove liquid liner if you mess up. It apparently does not remove the makeup underneath. Oh no, I messed up. I had to take it off. Take a piece of tape. Oh. Oh my god, I really thought it was working. I'm gonna take this makeup off anyway, so let me just do like a little. Oh no. Okay, quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay. Hers comes off perfectly. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it's worked for a lot of people. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, please let me know. For this hack, you apply an eyebrow tattoo product onto your lips as liner and then peel it off. The person who does this hack says she does this instead of lip liner and that it lasts longer. I'm so shaky. So now we let it dry. I don't think I did a very good job, but I did my best. Okay, I think we are dry. Okay. The problem with this is that you're using eyebrow stuff. I got the lightest color. This is light brown, and it is obviously way too dark. She adds lip liner on top of hers as well. Next, she adds a lip plumper lip gloss. And then on top of that, she adds another plumping product that has like a little bit more color. Does it look good? I'm picking up what she's putting down. This is just way too dark, and maybe I did it thicker than I should have. This hack is a way to apply your contour and highlight. It's really supposed to chisel out your face. In a circle. And down. I did that without looking in the mirror, so we are a little different, but we're gonna blend it. Nothing's moving. I have blended out to the best of my ability. I feel like I got an arm workout. I am just not looking my skin tone, and I do not want to ever make my face darker than it actually is. So I'm adding some highlight because I also feel like it'll really contour out more. I think the hack looks great on everybody who tries it. I just don't know that it looks great on me. I definitely think it contoured my face. It did its job, but it's probably not something that I'm going to continue doing.